Make your DIY door jamb repair blend seamlessly with the rest of the door frame by matching profile, texture, and finish precisely. Start by assessing the existing jamb and trim profile carefully, tracing profiles on paper and measuring widths and depths with a ruler so replacement pieces can be cut to match. When repairing rot or damage, remove only the compromised wood and splice in new stock using a scarf joint for strength and a tight fit, then secure with glue and finishing nails driven into solid wood. For nail and screw holes, use a wood filler that matches the base material, let it cure fully, then sand progressively from medium grit to fine grit until the surface is level and the transition is invisible to the touch. If the surrounding finish is painted, match the paint sheen and undertone, and apply primer over bare wood before top coat to ensure uniform absorption and color. If stained, select a stain and conditioner that mimic the existing grain and test on scrap wood before applying. Use a high-quality brush or wool applicator for paint or stain to avoid brush marks, and after finishing, seal edges and joints with a thin bead of paintable or stainable caulk to prevent light catching the seam. Finally, remove dust between coats, allow proper drying times based on temperature and humidity, and inspect in different lighting angles to catch subtle mismatches before declaring the job complete. The three most common mistakes are mismatched profile or thickness, visible fastener and filler spots, and improper finish matching that reveals repairs under varied light. If the profile is off, the eye follows the mismatch, so take time to trace and reproduce the trim profile, or use a router with the proper bit to copy it. Visible fastener spots come from overfilling or undersanding, so use a compatible filler, sand progressively, and feather the edges to eliminate ridges. Finish mistakes happen when people ignore sheen and undertone, so always prime bare wood, test color in the same light as the installation, and apply multiple thin coats rather than one heavy coat to build a uniform finish. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compare options based on project needs, so we make it easier to move from DIY to professional help when needed. We also connect contractors with homeowners looking for work and host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and show before and after photos to improve results for everyone.